Hello, at IGUS we manufacture thousands and thousands of 3D printed parts for customers. So customers can configure these parts online and drop the CAD model into our website. That then gives you an immediate price. You can select your material, the different engineering material you need from IGUS, which will give you the exact life of that part in your application. And these are typically the size parts that we would 3D print here. So you can see it's quite small, quite intricate, and as I say, we produce hundreds of thousands, perhaps millions now, of these parts for customers in all industries. But I want to show you something else which we can do today, and that is to 3D print large parts. Huge parts. In fact, we can 3D print in engineering plastics parts up to 3 meters long. And this, of course, opens up all kinds of opportunities for us in industries where you wouldn't usually think of 3D printing. This is manufactured from an engineering plastic. It has predictable life. It's very strong and tough, and there's no tooling. You can 3D print this and have the part delivered to you within a few days. And you can see more about this new service online, but this is an exciting development for IGUS. No tooling, engineering plastics up to 3 meters from IGUS. Thank you.